Welcome to JH. The Lustriva hair growth supplement just dropped, and people are acting like it's the holy grail of follicles. It's not your average swallow this and pray vitamin situation. It's actually trying to be different. Lustriva is the new ingredient making waves, and the science behind it is actually quite curious. Are these supplements legit, or just another shiny trap for people staring sadly into their shower drains? Lustriva is a patented blend of bonded arginine silicate and magnesium biotinate. If those words gave you a headache, it's basically supercharged biotin and silicon that your body can actually absorb instead of just flushing down the toilet. It's designed for anyone with thinning hair or growth so slow it makes a snail look like a sprinter. The company claims it supports thickness and overall health, usually delivered via one daily capsule or some gummies. Let's get real about what these can actually do. Biotin is great, and silicon strengthens hair structure, but this specific form is supposedly 40 times more absorbable than the cheap stuff. These aren't miracle pills, though. They're just filling the nutritional gaps you probably created by living on iced coffee and spite. What's actually shocking are the clinical results. Researchers found that women taking Lustriva saw a 20% increase in hair growth in just 3 weeks. 3 weeks is practically light speed in the supplement world. They also reported fewer wrinkles and better skin texture, because apparently, your hair shouldn't be the only thing getting all the attention. Just remember, these were company-sponsored studies, so take those 92% improved volume stats with a healthy grain of salt. The supplements are hormone-free and made in certified facilities, which is nice for those of us who prefer our hair growth without a side of existential dread. But here's the catch. Hair growth is mostly down to genetics. If you're already eating like a fitness influencer and have great hair, these pills won't turn you into a Disney princess. Also, patience is a virtue most people lack. You'll need to wait 8 to 12 weeks to see a difference, despite what the overnight miracle crowd might hope for. You've got options, from nature-made soft gels to Mary Ruth's liquid formulas. Prices range from $20 to $60, which isn't exactly pocket change, but it's cheaper than a midlife crisis salon visit. It's perfect for those with nutrient gaps or stress-induced thinning. However, if you're actually balding for medical reasons, please talk to a doctor instead of a bottle. The beauty community is buzzing because clinical backing is rarer than a polite internet comment section. My verdict? Lustriva won't turn you into Rapunzel by Tuesday, but it might help you reach your genetic potential if you keep your expectations on this planet. It's safe, fast-acting, and worth a 3-month trial if you're tired of your hair's lack of ambition. Just remember, this is about supporting growth, not creating miracles from nothing. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I break down the latest products every week across beauty, health, and tech. What's your take? Is this one a win, or would you pass? Drop a comment and let me know.